Welcome to MES BRS PU College, located in the greenest part of Bengaluru. Here, amidst nature's embrace, learning takes on a whole new dimension. Our campus isn't just a place of education, it's a sanctuary where students can connect with the environment and find inspiration in its beauty. Whether it's exploring the flora and fauna that surround us or finding solace in the tranquility of our green spaces, there's always something magical about life at MES BRS PU College. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, innovation and harmony with nature. Welcome to MES BRS PU College, where education flourishes amidst the greenery of Bengaluru. Witness the spiritual harmony as students gather for prayers, fostering a sense of community and reflection. Step into our state-of-the-art classrooms, equipped with cutting-edge technology and conducive to interactive learning experience. Step into our advanced physics lab, where students delve into the principles of the universe through hands-on experiments and simulations, fostering scientific inquiry and discovery. Explore the realms of chemistry in our well-equipped laboratory, where students engaged in hands-on experiments under the guidance of experienced faculty. Delve into the wonders of life sciences in our meticulously designed biology lab, where students dissect, analyze, and explore the intricacies of the natural world. Dive into the realm of technology in our modern computer lab, equipped with the latest software and hardware, providing students with the tools to excel in the digital age. Experience the grandeur of a spacious auditorium, a hub of creativity and expression, where students showcase their talents and ideas in various events and performances. Engage in both indoor and outdoor sports, fostering teamwork and physical activity amidst our well-equipped facilities and scenic campus grounds. Explore our extensive library, a hub of knowledge and quiet study, offering a diverse collection of resources to support academic excellence and intellectual curiosity. We embrace diversity and creativity at our college with a rich tapestry of cultural activities, celebrating traditions, fostering a vibrant community where every individual is encouraged to explore and express their unique heritage and perspective.
A very warm greetings from MES BRS PU College Vidyaranipura. This college is a sister institution of MES Main College Malleshwaram. This college was established in the year 2006 with a mere student strength of 42, and we had only science then. Now we are having both science and commerce and students of around 600 strength. Science combination we have PCMB and PCMC. Commerce we have EBAS and EBSCS. In this college, the infrastructure is very good. We have spacious laboratories. Physics lab is there, chemistry lab, then biology lab, computer lab is there, and we also have a very well equipped library which has more than 5,000 books. The books are also reference books, story books, newsletters, as well as the textbooks. And even sports, we have badminton court is there, then outdoor sports is there, and indoor we have table tennis court also. If you visit our college, you can see the students utilizing all these facilities. And to train them, we have very well trained faculty. We have all postgraduates with double degrees, with B.Ed, and even few of them having PhD, both science and commerce faculty. They can train any kind of students who enter into our college. And the minimum experience the teachers are having here is 20-25. That means all of us are very well experienced to handle any kind of situation in this college. Apart from that, the sports competitions, what we conduct here, it can be intercollegiate, intracollegiate, anything like badminton, throw ball, volleyball, TT, and even athletics are also there. In culturals also, we send students to different colleges, and our students have bagged lot of prizes. And apart from that, even in our college, we have been conducting so many cultural programs. It could be Rangoli competition, face painting, or it could be even drama competition, singing, etc., etc. And MES management, every year it hosts a Kalavedi program which will boost the morality of both the teachers as well as the students. Apart from that, we also have the admissions criteria to enter into our college. The minimum 10th standard, of course, it should be there, and whoever passes in the 10th standard and those who are having above 80 and the 90% of the marks, they will be rewarded with lot of scholarships. So my message to all the parents is, come experience the atmosphere of the MES BRS, and you can interact with our faculty. You will never go empty handed. In our college, we not only focus only on the results, of course results are important and we are getting very good results every year. Apart from that, you will understand the difference in your child's behavior. Thank you.
A very warm greetings to all of you. I am Savitri C. Hiremat, Vice Principal, MES BRS PU College. We at MES are being backed up by very well qualified teachers who aim at the holistic development of the student, nurturing a balanced condition of the students in intelligent quotient, spiritual quotient and emotional quotient, so that the child acquires a sense of creativity and blissful mind. We also facilitate the students for their curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities through the present day technology, so that they have the all-round development for their future endeavor. We also contribute to the society through Kalavedi programs to enrich the culture, art and heritage of our country. So I welcome all the parents and the students as well as the people of Vidyaranyapura to visit our campus to have the best experience of their life. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Sarita, Head Department of English, MES Professor B.R. Subbarao PU College, Vidyaranyapura. I've been here since 2007 and I should say this is my second home. The college nurtures the interests of the students in a very holistic way. Of course, it is a cliche when we say that it caters to the all-round development of college, but our college indeed does. We have equal importance for academics, cultural programs, sports, and CET, NEET, all these extra training we provide the students. And once they come into our care, when they go out of our college, they leave a part of themselves behind. So I very proudly say that MES BRS is the place to be in Vidyaranyapura as far as education goes. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೇಣುಕಾಂಬ. ನಾನು MES BRS PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ 2007ರಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ MES ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷಾ ಬೋಧನೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ತರಗತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಬೋಧನೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಕಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು 2 ವರ್ಷ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಎಂ. ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ MES ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ BR ಸುಬ್ಬಾರಾವ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಾದ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಮ್ಮಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹದಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪಠ್ಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಧ್ಯಯನದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹಪಠ್ಯ ವಿಷಯಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಗುರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ನೀಡುವ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಇವೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಭಂಡಾರವೆಂದೇ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಸಮಂಜಸವಾದ ಶುಲ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊರಕಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ದೊರೆತಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Warm greetings everyone. I am Yashis from 2nd PUC at MES BRS PU College. I would just like to take a minute to tell you about our wonderful college. Renowned not just in Vidyaranyapura but throughout Bangalore, MES BRS PU College has been serving quality education for the past 17 years. I am proud to say I am a student of this college. It has world-class facilities and some of the best teachers I've ever had throughout my life. It is also known for all the cultural programs we host, including the ones we participate in and the numerous events we have at our college. Our college focuses not just on scholastic learning, but co-curricular and holistic learning, with a lot of sports activities and cultural activities throughout the year, making life not just academic, but extremely fun for students in college. It's commonly said that education isn't preparation for life, but the embodiment of life itself. Similarly, MES Professor B.R. Subbarao PU College isn't just a place of worship. It is the embodiment of Indian culture, society, and education system as we know it. Thank you.